Trust is built with consistency. Whether it is a relationship, whether it is something like if you really want to achieve some goal or any goal you have, aspirations, if you are consistent, if you are working hard, if you are putting efforts, you will see the results, right? So with this thought, let me start the second chapter. We have completed the first chapter so far. We got valuable lessons, ideas, and different words, phrases, idioms from the first chapter. I hope you have noted down and you are using those good phrases, words in your conversation. Now we are going to start the second chapter and let's learn the ideas. One thing I must say that if you really want to improve your English, consistency is must. But next is important, that is ideas and thoughts. If somebody will ask you any question and if you don't know how to answer just because of ideas, your English is not going to work at that particular moment. You need good ideas. If you want to share something, first you need that particular content. You need the ideas, information. Then only your English is going to help you. That's why reading can help. Reading will give you ideas. And eventually if you practice, you will see the results. You will become fluent by incorporating good phrases, idioms, everything. Small steps every day can yield you good results. We cannot learn, or even I have not learned everything all together, like pronunciation, grammar, everything all together. It's all because of practice. It is all because of head start. Head start means you're favorable, you're promising beginning that yes, I can do it, I have to do it. Got it? So with this, let's start. The winners has a solution for every problem and the loser has a problem for every solution. Wow. Great line, we should learn, right? During childhood, we form attitudes that last a lifetime. A positive attitude acquired during the formative years. Formative years means 0 to 8 years. We should take care of every single word, the lines, then only we can understand the context as well as, and even we can use while speaking. Sometimes we think that we are not able to generate ideas, we are not able to generate thoughts. It's just because we don't read accurately. We don't read the lines and don't read in between the lines. The phrases, idioms and the words which have been used in different context, right? Makes life meaningful and rewarding in every manner. Positive if your early childhood experiences have produces a positive attitude, you are indeed fortunate. Indeed means yes, that's true, obvious. And have a head start over others. Head start means a promising start, beginning. But if you have acquired a negative attitude, whether by design or by default, you are stuck with it. Of course not. Can you change your attitude? Yes. Is it? Absolutely not. Is it worth it? You bet. Cautious. Caution, okay? It's not cautious, it's caution. C-A-U-T-I-O-N. Cautious, and this is caution, not C, it's K pronunciation, right? If you have a positive attitude, is there any guarantee that you will always remain positive? The answer is no, unless you make an effort to maintain it. For everything we need effort. We have to put our effort, then only we can yield good results, right? How do you build and maintain a positive attitude? This is the question. Become aware of the principles that build a positive attitude. Have a desire to be positive. That's true. Like you should have the desire. You should, have that kind of thought process that no. No means no, yes means yes. I'm not going to do this thing from today. That means no. And these are the things which I'm going to do for my benefit, to improve myself, to transform my life. That means yes. You have to stick to it. Otherwise, you won't be able to see the changes, the visible results, right? Cultivate the discipline and dedication to practice those principles. Cultivate means when we cultivate, we grow crops, right? Here, cultivate means you have to work on discipline and dedication, right? To practice those principles. Then only you can see the fruits. It's bearing fruits. As adults, regardless of our environment, education and experience, who is responsible for our attitude? We are. We have to accept responsibility for our behavior and actions. Some people blame everyone and everything but themselves. It is up to us to choose our attitude every morning. Every morning, if you think that I'm going to be positive, I'm not going to complain or say bad things or bad thoughts I'm not going to bring on my mind, then it's up to you. Like, it's your call. If you think that no, if you keep on thinking and your subconscious mind is every time giving you order that no, you need to talk about all those things which are, you should, all those negative thoughts. So you will always think, and the day you are going to waste, right? Remember one thing, life is short, so make good use of your days, years, productive, and do something great for yourself and your family. You hear many self-made success stories, but have you ever heard a self-made failure story? Probably not. Of course not. Probably not. Of course not. Failures with negative attitudes blame the whole world. For their failures, their parents, teachers, spouse, bosses, the stars, fate, luck, the economy, and the government, they will never accept responsibility. Like we always complain, this is not there, he is that, she is that, just because of all these reasons I'm not able to do these things. So my answer to them is take your responsibility, take full charge of your life and just stick to your commitments that I'm going to do this. That means nobody can change this. By hook or crook, by any means, I'm going to do the things which I really want to achieve. For the things which I really want to achieve. You have to get away from the past. That's true. Dust yourself off. So now, dust yourself off is you can say a phrase or an idiom. Okay, that means it is used to encourage someone who has encourage someone to move on. Like, just because of the setbacks, he is feeling low. So you can just say that forget about the past and just dust yourself off. Dust yourself off does not mean that dust is there here on shoulder or on this particular cloth or this jacket, you can say, or this particular hood. It's all about the dust which you have here on your mind, that you just dust it off. Okay, dust yourself off, free from all the past which you have gathered, the thoughts here on your mind. Just drain them and do something good for yourself, for the better future. But put your dreams together and move forward. Thinking of the positive things that are true, honest and good will put you in a positive state of mind. So that's all for today. We have learned one good phrase, that is dust yourself off. Wow, try to use when somebody is feeling low and you really want that person to grow, or you just want to handhold that person or want to encourage that person. You just can advise, motivate that person by saying that just forget about the past, just dust yourself off and do something great for yourself, right? This is something unique, and I think so we should practice all these phrases, idioms every time. And this thing only will happen when you practice in a group or with your family members and discuss these words or phrases. Then only you will never forget. Otherwise, if you are only discussing and not applying, you will forget very easily. Okay, so we have learned few words like formative years, cultivate, caution, right? So use these words in your conversation, and the thought which I have shared with you, take care of that particular thought. Just be consistent enough, right? So it was 8th day. Today it was the 8th day of 30 days English Fluency Challenge, and I'm feeling great. Even I'm feeling that, that I'm on the track, helping you all and sharing. Even I'm learning with you all. So this is Bina Roy, happy to help. Take care, bye bye. We will catch you tomorrow. Bye.